Hey friends, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on XVG coin. As in my previous video, I told you that the Verge coin has formed the different harmonic moves, and those moves were basically the potential reversal, the bullish reversal moves. And first of all, let me just show you the previous charts, and after that we will move on to the live chart to see what the price action is doing on the live chart. And this was a chart that I shared with you on 15th of July when the price action completed the final leg of this bullish shark pattern. This was the initial leg, and after that it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. This was the first confirmation for the bullish shark. Then it was projected between 0.382 it was projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Here we can see that there is a little bit difference that I have ignored because all the legs were driven perfectly as required for the bullish shark pattern. And the final leg was retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. So this was the final confirmation for the bullish shark pattern. Now I'm just playing this chart, and we can see that the price action has finally moved up from this potential reversal zone, and as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark pattern, I just predicted that the price action should move up between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection, and this is the projection of C to D leg. So now the price action is in this Fibonacci projection zone, and now let me just show you the next idea, and that was the XVG with Bitcoin pair. And this was the idea, and I shared this idea on 22nd of July with you guys. And here you can see on the chart the price action completed the final leg of the bullish butterfly pattern. This was the initial leg, and after that the price action was retraced between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. This is the second confirmation, and then finally the price line moved all the way up to this level, that is 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement. So this is the final confirmation for the bullish butterfly pattern. And now I'm just playing this chart, and finally you can see that the price action is turned bullish, and as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish butterfly pattern, I just predicted that the price action should move up to this level, that is A to D Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection level, and so far it has produced more than 12% bullish rally, and in the US dollar market it has produced more than 20% bullish rally. Now if we move to the live chart, then we have already seen in my previous video that on a 2-day chart, the price action at that time broke down this 25 simple moving average, and now it is trying to break out this 25 simple moving average again. And I was expecting this golden cross or bull cross between the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages, and you can see that 100 simple moving average is continuously moving up to form this bull cross, and after that, after this bull cross, we will have a very good support of the 25, 50, 100, and then 200 at the last as a support just below the price action, and a complete open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages will be formed. That is a really very powerful bullish signal on the 2-day chart. And if we watch the different support and resistance levels on the 2-day chart, then we have the last support at almost half cent, and after that we have the next support level is $0.006, and we have seen that the price action has retested this support and moved up, and now it is at the resistance of $0.0075. This is not the last support, as I've placed on this chart at this time we can see as a last support. After that we have the next support at $0.032. And finally, we have a key level resistance at 1 cent. Once this resistance will be broken out, then the price action can turn more bullish. And now I would like to recall this pattern, this indicator, that is the Ichimoku Cloud on this weekly chart. that the price action finally entered in this bearish cloud, and we have already seen a very powerful attempt by the price action of Verge coin to break out this cloud, and it is retraced back on the conversion line and on this baseline. And now after this bullish move, these harmonic moves, we can expect that the price action can move more up and make another attempt to break out this bearish cloud again. We can see that this is the lagging span of the Ichimoku Cloud. It has crossed up the price action. It was moving down, and now it is again moving up. And we have received the bull cross between the conversion line. This blue one is the conversion line, the bullish line, and this red one is the baseline, the bearish line. And we have received this bull cross just below the price action. That is very powerful bullish signal. And this Ichimoku Cloud is finally turned bullish. That is another bullish signal. Now we should wait for the price action to break out this cloud, and after that we will have a very much powerful bullish rally on the long term, and this bearish cloud will become a very strong support for the price action on the long term, as it is working as a very strong resistance. And this is for the first time the price action is trying to break out this cloud on the weekly long term chart. So this was the update so far by the price action of XVG. I'm expecting that it will move more up to have another attempt to break out from this cloud. Otherwise, we can also set our stop loss here at the potential reversal zone of these patterns in case if the price action will be moved more down. But I'm expecting it will be moved up, and it will cross this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level as well. So this was the update so far. If I'll have more updates, definitely I will share with you. I hope that you have liked the video, and congratulations to the people who have followed this trading setup. But remember that this is only for the educational purpose. This is not intended to be investment advice. And I hope that you will subscribe to my channel as well, and do share your comments with me, and also share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.